हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका एक और शानदार वीडियो में। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं ये आप देख सकते हैं रेडियो का डायल है। और इसको आप किसी भी एक लाइक ऑन दिस जो लेवल्स हैं, जो लेवलर्स होते हैं एक्चुअली, अगर उस पर क्लिक करते हो तो डायल इज काइंड ऑफ रोटेटिंग ऑन इट्स ओन वट एवर लाइक level you are choosing, and then you just have to click on any level you want to keep. And then you can also notice that some lights are kind of lighter. So here if you come, the orange color is kind of light, it's becoming darker here, and then the more darker here. But here the green color is kind of constant. However, I'm just trying to keep you appraised to know, okay, this is how this thing is going to work. Now, how to create this? The idea here is to create a very small and easy tutorial for you to learn. All right, so without wasting any further time, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here is my Figma file if you want to see, and if you want to look at the prototype, this is how it looks like. But trust me, this may be looking very overwhelming or maybe complicated, but it is really very easy. Okay, so how do you do that? So first of all, let's click on this frame icon, and then choose any of the artboard like you want, maybe 14, 15, 16, whatever. Okay, now keep the design thing open. So what we will do, we will simply go and then we will simply choose the color of it. I will simply press I. So whenever once I press I, so you can see the color of the background is kind of this F3, F8 and FF. So you have this color on your artboard. So what I will do now, or maybe the frame color is like this. So artboard guys, because I have this ग्राफिक डिजाइन बैकग्राउंड, तो इलस्ट्रेटर में वो आर्टबोर्ड ही होता है, तो समटाइम्स it up comes out like that. Okay, so it's not actually artboard, but you can consider it as one. However, this is a frame for this MacBook Pro 14. So if you want to look at the preview, so this is how it will appear. So let me put it on the different page so that it does not kind of engage with any other pages. So let me put it here so that it becomes easier. Okay, so why I put it here guys, because I wanted to give it some because once I click on this play button, so it should be coming in a laptop. So how do you do that? I simply have to click on interaction, show prototype, and then the background none. So जो आपका डिवाइस है वो आप चूज कर सकते हैं। हम लोगों ने 14 इंच का लिया हुआ है, ये आप देख सकते हैं 14 इंच here and then the 14 inch here also. Okay, now this will appear in this form. So let me check. Yeah, cool. So let me close this and then reopen it. I hope this should be working fine. It should not go beyond my screen. My screen is already 27 inches. So yes, this is fine now. Okay, so there may be some background noise because मेरे घर के आसपास थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, तो in between those voices may be there, although I am wearing this. So I am trying to keep those things away as much as possible, but not beyond a certain point. Okay, so ये हो गया है। यहाँ पे आप ये देख पा रहे होंगे, आपका फ्रेम हो गया है सेट, आपका बीजी का कलर हो गया है सेट। नाउ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज टू क्रिएट द एलिप्स. Create the ellipse like this and keep it centered. Cool. So let's bring those color that I kept on here. Let me copy and then paste it here. All right, I will share the Figma file link. You just have to comment below that, okay, I want the Figma file, or maybe Figma file, just Figma file in the comment section, and then I will give you the link. Okay, so you can see I have created this circle in the middle for the background thing. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply add some colors. Okay, maybe this color. So this color is fine. Okay, what we will do, we will simply add effect, go here, go inner shadow, and then put 18, and maybe we will be going ahead with this. Okay, the actual color should remain FF. Okay, now let's make it 30 and make it 25%, maybe 100. Yep, or let me check how much I kept on here. Okay, so FF 100%. Okay, so we will go ahead with this 25%, maybe 30. Yep. Now let's add another inner shadow and then go ahead with FF. और यहाँ पे इसको आप कर दीजिए माइनस, अगेन माइनस, एंड this should be in a shadow. Why this is appearing like minus 18, 18, 30, 30. So इसको हम देते हैं ये वाला कलर, cool. And there is one problem committed by me. This is minus, so one should be plus. So let's remove minus from the white. So this is kind of becoming a bit darker. So what we will do, we will simply check if, yeah, this is looking a lot better. So I am kind of changing the property because that property was there, it's somehow not matching here. So let's copy the circle and paste it. You can see there is 2 circles. I just have pasted, just copy and paste. Now just drag it down like this, okay, and this is below, let's bring it above, okay, and give it this color and remove all this. So what we will be doing, guys, we will be adding 2 shadows, okay, and the shadows will be like this, drop shadow, drop shadow. So what we will do, we will simply go ahead 18, 18, 30, and this will be like this. So let's keep it like this, 30, and then go here and maybe 18, 18, FF, 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 and इसको हम करते हैं माइनस, ओके, इसको करते हैं 30, and yes, so what is the problem happening here? The problem should not be happening. Maybe 20%. Nope. I guess we again have to go back and check. Okay. So this is linear. Okay. So I have tried some different color maybe in place of yellow and black. So this is somehow like this, and maybe this is 100. Yeah. This is already looking a lot better, right? So yeah, I think this we can live with. This ring is at least has become fine. So the next step comes, guys, to add those small circles and this thing. So what we will do, we will simply create circle 12 by 12. Okay, so let's bring here. Okay, let's put everything in center, maybe here, maybe we can keep it 14. That's cool. Okay, so what we can do to keep it on the edges, maybe like this. So it is like this is like this, and then this is like this. So now we need to find the center in between, so we can keep it like this maybe. Yeah, this is the perfect place, and then another circle goes here. Yeah, just like this. Now delete this line. Okay, so guys, your circle is kind of ready. आपका जो dial है वही रहता है. To create that, what you can do, you can simply select on this rectangle, create this something like this, and then simply maybe, yeah, I think we can keep it 10 also. Yes, this is a lot better now. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply add some darker color over here and then put it linear. I think this is already better. You don't have to play too much here, guys. Okay, so this much is enough. Okay, for these, I guess you can again fill these to the same color. Oops, this is not visible, maybe darker. Yes, so this is already looking a lot better, guys. अब आपको इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ animation add करना है, that micro interaction. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply just select all these circles and then the background button, just group it, okay, and send it back. Now group this again, or maybe simply add this in the frame. So this is fine. So आपका जो है पूरा काम हो चुका है. अब आपको एक काम ये करना है कि आपको इसमें माइक्रो इंटरेक्शंस ऐड करने हैं. Okay, so let's add to these components. Alt Control K, or you can click here also. Let's bring it outside of the artboard or the frame, okay, and then keep it here. Create this another frame here, okay, just like this. Okay, I'm going to keep it like this. Add 1 2 3 4 5. So we need 5 sets of it, okay. So plus and then plus. Cool. So just keep it like this. Radio dial, okay. So you can name whatever name you want, but अभी के लिए मैंने उसको radio dial ही रखा हुआ है. Cool guys. So what you can do, you can simply go here, assets, page 2, radio dial, insert it here, okay. And for this time, if I check, this is not working, okay. This is simply not working. So what now I need to do is, I just have to go to the page 1. I am going to page 1 guys, because I need those colors for the dial that I have already applied, okay. So I will simply click on this, this and this, copy, and then I will simply paste it here. So just click I. I hope this should be fine now, okay. Now you are left with just a prototype, okay. So let me delete all these. Okay guys, so what you need to do now is आपको जो सारे के सारे ये dots आपने बनाए हैं वो आपको simply connect करने हैं. So what I will do, I will simply choose this and I will bring it here. It will be on click, smart animate, easy in and out, and then 800, okay. Just to test it, if I click here, oops, so इसको कर देंगे हम ऐसे. Okay, now if you click here, let me check, and so ये यहाँ पे आ रहा है. जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे आपको फर्स्ट पे लेके जाएगा. एवरीथिंग इज कूल, नो नीड टू चेक. सो 1 or 2 buttons are working, not rest of them. So let's click on all of them and make them work. It should be working fine now. Yes, I guess we are done guys. We are done for this tutorial. I hope you like this video. So guys, this is how you can simply kind of interconnect all the components that you have. This is how micro interactions work in Figma. And if you have liked the video, don't forget to share, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.